you want a free, pro-level CapCut software for your PC? Are you searching for a source that can provide you with the latest version right away? Imagine having access to all the AI features, like auto captions, voiceover tool, and background removal. Plus, you'll get faster and automatic updates, along with direct support from CapCut. So, stop using the Microsoft Store to get your CapCut version. That version is often outdated and limited. You might be wondering where to find the best free version. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so you never miss an update. Now, let's get started. Well, it's simple. Just head over to the official CapCut website and download it from there. How to download CapCut from the official website? First, head over to the CapCut official website. I'll leave the link in the description below. Once you're there, click the download button located at the top right of the screen to start the download. After it finishes downloading, double-click the installer and follow the setup instructions. Congratulations! You now have the latest version of CapCut, complete with the full feature set, including advanced AI editing tools. Enjoy editing! Subscribe for more AI and video editing tutorials.